In front of me is Motorola signature, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Notifications available here. Now tap on App Notifications. And before doing anything, select Most Recent at the top. This way you can sort your apps to see ones with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, all apps on your Motorola, or apps with notifications already disabled. Then use blue switchers next to your apps to block notifications from them, or gray ones to switch them back on. Quick tip, you can also tap on any app available on the left, and this way turn on or off notifications thanks to this switcher, but also check out all of those notifications options for chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!